Hi, this is Michelle, and along with Courtney, Bailey, and Kelly from Sewing Fab, this is our Q2 Make It Better video. So we got these media wall base plates from FI, and we were using it for our webbing and our Velcro. And it's a more efficient way to use it, and it just pulls as you go. And over here we have Courtney. She is using it for Velcro, and she's using both of them at the same time, the hook and the loop. And it just flows right off from the roll.
The old way when we used the Velcro was just to sort of toss it behind us and start sewing. The problem was, eventually it would catch up, hit our backs, fall on the floor, or if we already had our hook down and we were sewing loop, the loop would creep up and get stuck to the Velcro. So, now by placing it on top of here, it completely keeps it out of the way.
And that's how we made it better.